Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Latitude.
What does the dictionary say?
The angular distance north or south from the equator of a point on the Earth's surface, measured on the meridian of the point.
Math rap.
No reason to give me attitude, all will be fine. Running north to south or east west, stretching lines. The latitude at the equator is 0 degrees, reaching the north and south poles in 90 with ease.
Math rap.
Why did the longitude not like his coworkers? He thought they were all latitude and not very nice. Remembering latitude shouldn't make you madder. Just think of the rungs on a ladder. Explain latitude in your own words. What is the latitude of the exact location where you are right now? Record the latitudes of Paris, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!